I'm working here on the wood cook stove. Gotta clean it up yet, but I needed to make a door for right here. I think I was successful. What do you think? Nice chrome door. Found me some Strike Anywhere matches. I'm happy. So we're back inside. I didn't see any smoke coming out of that chimney. But you look at there. So in honor of having the stove light up for the first time, I thought I'd grease it up a little bit with some bacon. Good and hot now. And you can hear that fry. Oh yes. Well, there's the wood cook stove all cleaned up. Put a couple of pieces of bacon on just to get the top greased up. Got water on the boil. A good fire going in there. First time in 40, 50, 60 years. I have the slide on to oven. And the oven's good and hot. Yeah, you see that heat wave there. Isn't that a beautiful oven? All the enamel's in there yet. I love it. And there we have boiling water on the old wood cook stove. It's only taken 60 years to get to me. I'm loving it. Yeah, cooking up some dinner here on the wood cook stove tonight. And putting it on high, just take the burner off and put the pan right over the hole and gets it on high. Be able to control that here in a little bit with putting the burners back on. But I'm going to have biscuits and some fried taters and going to bake a couple of taters for breakfast tomorrow. Do that tonight, Bill. Well, them taters are looking mighty good. Let's look at them biscuits there. It's been about 8 minutes. Oh yes, nice and golden brown. I love it. Oh, I love this door. Yeah, just making some breakfast in the party shack this morning. Scrambled eggs, sausage, pancake, coffee, tater pancakes. Yeah, we got coffee. And Kevin's coffee. He likes iced coffee. Loving it. Let's check, see how that roast is doing. Now we're at 250 on our temperature gauge. Been that way for about 3 hours, between 250 and 275. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Turkey goes in at about 850. It's 350 in there. Get upon us. Yeah, we got the rest of the insulation sheetrock up. We're putting the grout in the lines. Mike's cleaning it off. Roy's stuffing it in. I just took a break from stuffing myself. That's all the mud. Well, there we got all the primer up on the ceiling and on the walls. Like I said, just primer. Boy, that sure makes it look good. Got a trim around the window casing, and after I paint everything, I get the wood up around all the ceramic tiles and up in the corners and edges and everything else, but that's to come. So we got the top switch going to light over the range. Then we have a fan there. And behind you, we have the fan. And it's all done by remote. Don't you love modern technology? So today's video is all about bacon. Stay tuned and I'll show you how I've set this up. So we've got our bacon pretty much cooked. And after the grease. In the lamp. Perfect amount. So we have our bacon grease in the bacon lamp, or the old style lamp. This gave light in the kitchen. We'll try this out now. This is a rag wick. Obviously that is burning. It's not consuming the rag, but in case it does, there's a pick where you can move the rag forward for a little bit more light or back in case it was too big a flame. But that is going to give off plenty of light, and that should last for a couple hours. We've been burning about 5 minutes now, and you see that wick, the flame is starting to go back just a little bit. We'll see how this works out. This pick is meant to move it if needed, but so far it's working well. Now here we are at an hour. I haven't moved the wick at all, and the grease is still substantial. This is a grease lamp, by the way, just in case I hadn't said that. But there's still plenty of bacon grease in there to last that for a little while yet. You do see here it's burned a little bit on the edges, but I haven't had to move it. Working great.